chilly March day for 2025. This is first time out, and we're out here at Lake Shawnee in Topeka. Gonna be a nice day. Maybe wind picking up in the afternoon, but that's all right. So we'll see how we can do. Beginning of the season, always very optimistic. So let's see if that optimism turns into some fish catches. Thanks for joining and enjoy the day. Oh man, it is freezing. It is freezing. Freezing temperatures right now. The water is 45 degrees. So it is very chilly, to say the least. But that's all right. It's a crisp morning. It's gonna get warmer. I think it's gonna be a good day. Let's see what happens. Fish on. Oh, fish off. Oh, it's still fish on. All right. Got our first fish of the year. First fish. There we go. Nothing exciting except a fish. There we go. Not a big one. Not a big one. Well caught though. There we go. First one. First one of the year. Fish on. Fish on. Fish. The big feels bigger. Oh, yeah. Yes, we have a big one. Nice. That was quick. Back up, Harley. That's gonna qualify. Fish right there. There we go. All right. Fish on. All right. We got a fish. That gonna be 12? Let's see. Go. Thanks very much, fish. Fish. We got a fish. we got here? We got a pound. We got 12 inches. We have 12 inches. We got 12 inches, folks. All right, fish. There we go. Thanks very much. All right, that was it for four fish. 4 fish today. We didn't get just 5. We just got 4. But it was a good day out. Wind's picking up a bit, like I said. But it's time to go home. It was a good day out. Caught 3 of the 4 fish on the jerk bait, and then 1 on a square bill. But jerk bait makes sense. The water's cold. Now there's a little bit of a ripple on the water. It's probably be a little better, but this morning that's what it was. All right, thanks for joining. We'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.